Then at what point in the 9 months, no, in the 90 days that they are in this bin, at what point do they start producing the fruit?
At 4 weeks, they start flowering. That is 1 month.
Okay.
So they start flowering. So between 4 weeks and the 9, the fruits are growing. And you're feeding them. These things are heavy feeders. They consume a tank of water, 1,000-liter tank of water every day. Every day. We have water, we've drilled water there, and Amaz is not a problem. Actually, it's an essential. Tandika, I would advise that before you think of
a greenhouse,
water,
have a water source.
because this is 90% water.
90%
Yes.
So you have to water as much as
Water,
possible.
water. But regulatedly,
Not too much.
not too much. Sikajanja.
So how do you know that this is enough water? Do you release it like for a particular time?
Yeah, we use our eyes for a particular time, like 5 times. Sometimes umsana we go monji. Tank and number. And actually, as greenhouse farmers, twagala nnyo omusana. It is very cheap to maintain a greenhouse mu musana. Obunnyogovu butulwaza nnyo bright. So twagala nnyo omusana.
While other open farmers as a
Craving for water.
Heat, greenhouse farmers are like,
We are so happy. Because as someone who uses solar water pumping, every time it shines, me, I'm getting water. My crops are getting thirsty. The more they get thirsty, the more water they
need.
The more they take take water, the bigger they grow. Yeah. Actually, I think just like cows, pigs. Yeah? The more water they take, the
fatter they become.
Yeah.
And the more we harvest from them.
So twagala nnyo omusana. Yes, before omuntu ayagala okugira ekintu kino, most importantly, I advise that someone abeere nga alina obudde for their farm. You get. If you don't have time, please do something else. Zimba emizigo. Jota. First thing, time. Better know obudde. Bw'oba tobalina, find someone who has the time. Ekyokubiri, water. Please, beera ng'olina a source of water. Because these plants are water. Tewali kirala. Yes.
Water.
Before we get to weetaaga ssente mmeka to put up
this.
this. Yes, they need to be in place. Your time and water. Yes. Ssente mmeka, kati me, I'm a metal person. Me, I do metallic. For reasons, because we have so many termites in this village. Me, I do metals. Someone can as well do wooden.
Okay.
Wooden.
But wooden, like you said, if you have termites in the area.
Yes, it is very expensive to maintain. The difference between this metallic and the wooden, the difference could be around 4 million shillings. The difference in price could be. Nayowa wooden in the long run, maintaining it is very hard. Very expensive in the long. Nayowa bakola. Wooden is affected by weather. Assuming we are carrying a ton of papers here. Because this is like a ton. Kilo, lukumi. Chibuyaga. This paper bino byolaba bino. They are very heavy. You can't even imagine. They are very heavy.
You said one is like 250 grams.
Yes.
Big one.
Yes. So
heavy.
chibuyaga nga bwajanga mungi. It's very easy okusuula ekiyumba ky'emiti. Bigwa. Naye metallic talina gy'alaga. Yes, so in the long run,
Metallic is as not as expensive to maintain. there is that pole. Now let's show you how the strings move. From that pole, you see that barbed wire? It's going all the way. I don't know how approximately long this is, but we'll ask and find out. So then it goes to this metal pole, as you can see. Now this metal pole, this particular greenhouse has that, like that segment you've seen, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. So now this pole comes all the way from there to there, you see. So this greenhouse has those 4 segments, but each segment, or the whole greenhouse horizontally, these barbed wires, the one I've shown you, it goes all the way across all the 4 segments up to the very start, and all of them are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are about 12 lines, 12 strings. Those strings that you are seeing up there, the strings of barbed wires, they are about 12, running from there all the way up to there. 12 strings. That's quite a lot of pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, as you can see below. Each has a couple. So that is that row, and then this row. Now